Financial management in marriage. Money is the most common reason for divorce and marital strife. Many couples find that if they don't get their finances right, their partnership will never work out. You can't have a great relationship unless you and your partner can discuss and agree on financial matters. In our marriages, money is either the finest or worst area of communication. While many people visit hospitals, counseling facilities, places of worship, and even their parents' houses before getting married, only a small percentage seek financial advice. The issue of how to manage money in a marriage begins during the dating phase. The failure to address how to manage money in marriage leads to the emergence of marital disputes. What God has brought together, money takes apart. Marriage brings with it a slew of financial advantages. For many, combining their incomes allows them to save money on housing, have health insurance that covers both partners, and many other advantages. While these advantages are appreciated, they do not receive adequate attention. All of the focus is on the financial issues that come with marriage. What causes money problems in marriage? 1. Not talking about money. One of the most difficult and uncomfortable topics to discuss with a spouse is money. In dating, the subject goes unmentioned. Lovers do not make a strategy for how they would handle money in marriage, pay their bills, and save for their retirement as a couple. As a result, conflicts emerge, and most money talks take place after the disagreements have reached a point where the two partners can no longer tolerate each other. 2. A mismatch of money mindsets. When making financial decisions jointly, a saver and a spendthrift will have a difficult time. When one spouse tries to save costs, the other counters with the argument that we only live once, and tomorrow isn't assured. A financially savvy person recognizes the importance of a high savings rate, cost-cutting, and retirement planning. The other partner may perceive this as a denial of their right to live their life as they wish. 3. Dishonesty. People have diverse ideas about money and value different things differently, therefore money discussions are emotive. Dishonesty begins before marriage when persons fail to reveal their assets and responsibilities before entering into a marriage. Money-related dishonesty swiftly erodes the trust that has been built up in a marriage. 4. Power play. In most marriages, it isn't a shortage of funds that causes problems. It's how one spouse manipulates the other by exploiting their financial discrepancies. When one partner earns more money than the other, this occurs. Or when one partner has a job and the other does not. The partner who is financially well off begins to feel as though their spouse is a burden and that they are not contributing much to their financial well-being. Kindly subscribe.